Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel. And today we will be doing another unboxing videos. So, this brand of aircraft model that I will be unboxing, it's not just only skymark this time, but this is a Hogan wing that I will be having for my narrow body aircraft with landing gears. Why I decided to choose over Hogan wings over than skymarks? Skymarks narrow body aircraft for the narrow body aircraft comes with a different various scale model that it would not fit for scale 1 to 200 scales, which is more foundly on wide body aircrafts. I do like unboxing new videos with my aircraft model with landing gears, so Hogan wing is one of my best options for me to do some unboxing video. American Airlines have placed an order about over 50 orders of the Boeing 737 MAX 8, and this aircraft is about to be unboxed in a moment. So let's get started. And yes, it does come with a landing gears. But I will assemble the landing gears lastly, because my goal is to rearrange them as best as possible. Here's the fuselage here. Here's the main body of this aircraft. So don't expect why this model size is smaller than what we expect to be. This is how this scale model works. Without any further ado, let's get started on this wing section and the components area. This fuselage right here itself, it is pretty basic. One thing that I have noticed is this dome right here. It is to protect from tail striking when this aircraft is about to be take off. But other than that, the fuselage itself, it's not as detailed than what I expect. Here's the wing right here. It has some additional details. But one thing that does not have details is the overwing exits, which is unfortunate. But it is nice to have that detail on its engines itself, with a chevrons and a special winglet, which is a split scimitar. So let's get started. This is my first time getting a Hogan wings aircraft with a narrow body. Just please be mindful about installing that wing. Pretty small though, but it's worth it. Here's the tail right here. There you go. Here's the stabilizer right here. One thing that I do like about the Maxis is it does have a special winglet, which we will not see every day. Gotta be careful with that. Ta-da! Here's the 737 MAX 8. Gorgeous model. The landing gear, I will go and get into that later. But I'm not going to start with the landing gear today. Right now. Here's that model stand right here. There you go. This is about it. Pretty small aircraft. But like I said, this is in comparison real life scale model. Scale 1 to 200. However, it does not have a registration been printed on that model of aircraft. But oh well. So this is about it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.